I have this specific feeling up in one area of my gum that has made me felt like this is just the weirdest disorientation that I have there. I was afraid that I was like thinking about it too much, but and none of the doctors I saw before has told me anything about it. And I specifically asked them, but they were said it's probably just you are not used to that there's one less tooth in your mouth. After I came to Dr. Volchonok and I told him everything that I have been feeling.
She was actually facing the possibility of losing her upper right molar. Immediately I knew that she'd be a good candidate for a laser procedure for that area, but we also noticed that she had cavitation lesions in some areas of her jaw. Cavitation lesions are areas of the jawbone that haven't healed properly and can be sources of local and focal infections. I identified these things to Lynn and we discussed our methods of treating them. This included opening those areas and utilizing a laser to remove any pathogens from that site, combining PRF with a bone graft to help regenerate that bone.
All the disorientation that I have been feeling before has completely gone away now.
She's happier than ever, and every time we see her in a practice, it feels like family. She has a beautiful smile and a great soul, and we're really, really happy that we're able to provide that service for her.